ONGC this time on a sequential basis, we are expecting strong set of numbers. So net sales could come in at about 33,000 odd crores, which will be an uptick of about 3% sequentially. Margins meanwhile are expected to remain steady at that 58.2, 58.3% mark. And as far as PAT is concerned, that too is expected to see a jump up of nearly 21% on a sequential basis. Remember, on a sequential basis, crude oil prices have risen, and that is likely to aid realizations for ONGC this quarter. APM gas allocation was also on the favorable side, and that is also likely to aid. Remember, oil prices, as I mentioned, on a sequential basis they've improved, but on a year-on-year basis they've fallen substantially. So on a year-on-year basis, if we try to compare the numbers, then ONGC numbers are definitely going to look weak. Gross crude oil realization is expected to decline 14% YOY, but jump nearly 2% on a sequential basis. And as far as net crude oil production is concerned, that is likely to rise by about 1.5 to 2% on a sequential basis. As far as gas volumes are concerned, they too were on the higher side. So both oil and gas volumes are expected to see an uptick of nearly 2 to 3% on a sequential basis. On a year-on-year basis, numbers will look weak, but sequentially, on account of higher oil and gas realizations and higher volumes, we are expecting strong set. Remember, update on a ramp up of their gas production will be crucial this time around. But yes, all eyes will be on ONGC, which is set to report its numbers later today.